New microblowers, manufactured by Nidec Copal Electronics Corporation, are innovative ultra-small high-power products which integrate aerodynamic bearings and coreless technologies. Here we will present in detail the features and outstanding performance of our unique microblower products, including their main specifications. Despite being compact and light, microblowers have outstanding features like high static pressure, long life, low vibration, quiet operation, and high efficiency. Microblowers are mainly composed of elements such as a motor with a coreless structure, a shaft, a sleeve, a rotor blade. Here we will focus on the aerodynamic bearing structure, which is a non-contact type, and take a look at a close-up image of the shaft and the sleeve. The aerodynamic bearings used for microblowers are of the non-contact variety. In other words, they eliminate contact between the shaft and the sleeve and generate ultra-high-speed rotation. So let's see how non-contact rotation actually works. An aerodynamic bearing provides a thin gap between shaft and sleeve, and the air in that gap is pressurized as a result of rotation. By creating an ideal and carefully calculated air pressure distribution by means of a truly innovative piece of technology, it is possible to maintain a constant pressure that is just enough to fix the shaft in place. It is a truly revolutionary technology in which the shaft is supported in a non-contact state using only air. As you can see in the image, because the shaft rotates at ultra-high speed without touching the sleeve by means of aerodynamic bearings, it can achieve an overwhelmingly high static pressure. And because there is no physical friction, the service life of the bearing, and consequently of the product, will be considerably longer. Furthermore, for the motor, which rotates through electromagnetic induction, a coreless structure was adopted to reduce iron loss, thereby achieving high-efficiency operation. The rotor blade section is our own originally shaped small impeller. It has enabled us to achieve low vibration and less noise, and it also plays a role in creating high static pressure. Now I will introduce the actual new microblower products, the TF029B series and the TF037C series. As we mentioned earlier, both series achieve overwhelmingly high static pressure and a long service life, thanks to the aerodynamic bearings. They also feature low vibration, less noise, and high efficiency. They are blower fans with a unique level of performance. The main specifications of the two series are as follows. The TF037C series is a very compact product, but the newly developed TF029B series is a new innovative product which has achieved the same level of performance as the TF037C, while drastically improving power saving and achieving an even smaller size and lighter weight. This is a graph of the PQ curve, showing the relationship between static pressure and airflow. As you can see, the product has a very high static pressure range within the operating range. Microblowers achieve very high static pressure. Now, a reporter will demonstrate the microblower's performance, which will show their high static pressure in various situations. Please take a look. It looks like the reporter is actually going to get on the air mattress and blow it up to see how high the static pressure is. Wait, air is going in while the reporter is lying on it. It's kind of hard to believe. Is that really okay? That's amazing! The microblower's static pressure is truly comparable to that of an air pump. The products are so small and yet so powerful. Look, it was really easy to completely fill it with air in such a short time, even with the reporter lying on it. Let's try to blow water droplets off the glass. Wow! They got blown off instantaneously. The static pressure maintains its high power even if it goes through a long hose. Even though microblowers are powerful and their static pressure is high, won't it be rather difficult to make this baseball float? Are you really going to try? Wow! It floated just like that. Really? You all know baseballs are pretty heavy. Well, that was surprising. Oh, wow! Amazing! What's this? Unbelievable! It may be small, but it sure is powerful. The microblower's high static pressure will blow up a balloon in an instant. The microblower's static pressure is incredibly high. They are also quiet, even though the shaft rotates at ultra-high speed. They're just amazing. Home-use fuel cells generate electricity and hot water using gas. Our microblowers are used in these applications. Home-use fuel cells are truly an environmentally friendly energy production system that uses the chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. They are gradually finding a place in general households under the name NA-Farm. In that system, microblowers play the important role of making the gas combust efficiently and making hydrogen and oxygen flow. Microblowers are used in CPAP. CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure, is an essential therapy for sleep apnea syndrome. CPAP is a respiratory device that is currently drawing attention with regard to uses inside the home and as a portable device. It sends mechanically pressurized air from the nose to the airway and opens up the closed airway to improve the condition of sleep apnea. The size and weight of the CPAP unit have been further reduced, so it can be used while traveling or on business trips. Microblowers are ultra-small, have low vibration, are quiet, and can stably supply air with high static pressure. As a result, they really match the needs of CPAP in terms of performance and compactness, and can be said to be ideal products. Nidec Copal Electronics Corporation's microblowers, boasting ultra-small size, lightweight, high static pressure, and long service life. Recently, the need for new applications such as uses in high-density servers has become apparent. With high performance that can be achieved only with aerodynamic bearings, overwhelmingly high static pressure, for example, the possibilities will continue to expand to cover a wider and wider range of fields in the future. We will continue our commitment to superb performance and respond to your needs.